I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to take perfect screenshots. First, grabbing a specific section on a page. Second, capturing the visible area in your browser window. And third, capturing the full scrollable page. This works in all Chromium-based browsers: Chrome, Edge, Brave, Arc, and others. And if you're using something different, the process will still be very similar. Let's get into it. We're going to use built-in developer tools to do all of that. You can open it by right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Inspect Element, or just use shortcut Command-Option-I on a Mac or Control-Shift-I on Windows. Now, find the element in the HTML tree, right-click, and select Capture Node Screenshot. You now have a pixel-perfect image of just that element. The best way to capture the visible area in your window is to toggle on the device toolbar. By default, you'll see a mobile view of the page. From the drop-down, you can choose a device or select responsive and add your own dimensions there. Now just click on the 3 dots and select Capture Screenshot. And there you have it. I want to also add this as a preset. So let's click on the presets drop down again and select Edit. Now select Add Custom Device, give it the name, set the dimensions, pixel density, device type, then click Add. If you want to have larger screenshots, you can increase the pixel density. To get a shot of the whole page, just select Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Some of the content might be dynamically loaded below the fold, so it's a good idea to scroll through the page first to make sure everything is there. Full-page screenshots don't always work, especially if the page has lots of dynamic or animated elements. But for simpler pages, it works great. As a bonus, I'll show you how you can manage different states in the UI. For example, if you need a hover state to be visible on the screenshot, find the element in the HTML that's triggering the hover effect. Select Hov under Styles and check the hover state checkbox. As you can see, not every interaction works that way. For example, if something is triggered with JavaScript instead of CSS, you'll need another approach. Let's go to the console tab. Write this line of code and press enter. This will pause the page exactly 2 seconds after you hit enter. That gives you some time to hover, click, or trigger the state you want. Now you can take the screenshot. You can find the code from the description below. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. Peace.